Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Today it's Saturday's Simple Showcase and I'm going to be using the Glad We're Friends Cling stamp set. I think this is a really cute set and I love It's Guinea Bee a Great Day next to the little guinea pig. So those are the two stamps I'm going to be using today. So I'm just going to get those out. And what you want is a piece of 10.5 by 14.8. If you're over in the States, you want a piece of basic white that is the same size as your card base, okay? So we have slightly different card sizes in the UK. This is exactly the same size as my card base, and that's what you want. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the background of my card with my guinea pig. So I'm just going to pop a scrap piece of grid paper underneath and I am going to stamp away happily with my guinea pig. So I've just moved everything to the middle of the paper because I have started a TikTok channel. I know. Never thought I would be over on TikTok, but I am. And I found that, you know, I don't have all the time in the world because I do actually have a full-time job as well as being a demonstrator, and trying to get all of my stuff onto all the various different platforms, it's quite a struggle to come up with new content. So instead what I've been doing is I've been using the same videos that I put on my YouTube channel, but I've been speeding them up, making them a bit more sort of fun and flashy, but basically I've been using the same sort of basis of the video. And to do that I need to have everything in the center of this video so that I can change the ratios. I know it's a good job I've got my my godchildren around to help advise me on how to do all of this. So my guinea pig is going to be light Cajun craze, and now I'm not going to go mad with this. I'm not going to be like really super sort of colouring. I'm just going to go straight over half of the guinea pig, and as I said, I'm not going to be neat or tidy because this is a simple showcase, and I'm just going to go over half of him. Quite quickly, and I haven't used Cajun Craze that much as a blend, so actually my nib is like perfect for this. Because I use blends on so many different textures, I'm always using them. I use them on my ribbons, I use them on twines to colour them. I've coloured my embellishments with them, you know, that after a while I find that my brush nib genuinely just says, Helen, I'm not going to be straight anymore, and it has a little bend on it. Totally my fault. I use them on everything because I love them. So this Cajun Craze is a new blend, and gosh, can't you tell? They won't for like everybody go bent. It's just because I put out 4 or 5 videos a week all using blends. I have my classes where people use them. I'm making an awful lot of cards, so they get quite a lot of intense use. I do need to start using other colour mediums again, but I can't help it, I'm addicted. Do you know, I'm trying to think of like guinea pigs. As you grow up, you normally know sort of like little pets or people that have had one, and I can't actually think of anyone who's had a guinea pig of my friends. And when we were at school, we used to have the class pet, and they always used to be like little hamsters or rabbits. But I don't think we ever had a guinea pig. So guinea pigs to me are totally unusual. Cute though, aren't they? Like, cute, cute. So just going around here now, finishing this up. What should I talk about while I'm doing this? Because I know this is very samey. I could speed it up for you, but I'm going to talk instead. what month are we in? June. What do we have? Oh, we have buy one, get one free on kits. No, we don't. No, we don't. No, we don't. Take that back. We don't. We have buy one, get one half price. You get so used to saying buy one, get one free, don't you? It's buy one, get one half price on all kits in the catalogue. So that's quite exciting if you're a kit person. We have up to 50% off on the last chance products. So the mini catalogue, the spring catalogue, that's got those gorgeous windmills in, hint, hint, they're going. They're all on this sort of last chance product sale. So it would be a good time to check that out on my website, slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Next month, we have the launch of the Christmas catalogue. That's always exciting. And if you like blending cute little animals like what I'm doing now, definitely pay attention to that Christmas catalogue. There's so much in it you can get colouring and get making pretty. That comes out next month. As a demonstrator, we've already got to pre-order it, so I've got my Christmas stuff already sitting behind me, and trust me, it's beautiful. It's quite handy being a demonstrator, really. So I'm pretty sure you've heard me talk about how great that is, because I'm always looking for people to join my team. But if you're not sure, drop me a message and I'll tell you how great it is. You get 20% off all of your items plus a fantastic joining offer. So give me a shout. And the joining offer for July, when the Christmas stuff comes out, so when you can make the most of it, is a gorgeous planner. It's really pretty. I'll show it you in one of my videos so you get to see it. Really nice. So yeah, lots going on over in Stampin' Up world. In Helzie world, what's going on? I'm still looking for a puppy dog. I've decided I definitely want one. At the moment, I want a show cocker spaniel with a little afro hair. And I've contacted a few breeders to see when they're going to be having them. I think they're gorgeous. What else is happening? Still working quite a bit. We've got the Commonwealth Games coming up at work, so it's been really, really busy getting that organised. I'm now going to use the ivory pen just to get the tummy of my hamster, and I'm not minding here. I'm going over the whole lot just like that. Yeah, so the Commonwealth Games comes end of July, start of August. I work for Bowls England, so we're very heavily involved in that. We've got our athletes going to that. Really looking forward to it. Then going to New Orleans for Stampin' Up on the Silver Elite incentive trip, so that's really great. Very much looking forward to that as well. And that's pretty much what's going on in Helen's life, really. Oh, my swans. So I'll tell you about my swans. I have Charles and Camilla, who are the swans that live on my canal right out the back of my place. So my place actually overlooks the canal. And Camilla has been on her nest for a couple of weeks now, months really. And she's just been sitting there, and all these other swans have come past with their babies. And I thought, oh, she's not going to have any, and she's going to be so upset. And Charles has been getting a bit snarly and irate at me. But the other day they came past with their babies and they were so cute. Right, there we go. Finally, I'm going to get some basic white. There's a scrap piece that I've got here. I'm going to stamp It's Gonna Be a Great Day. Feel Irish when I say that. And I'm just going to create that into a flag. So you've seen me do this 100 times. It's gonna be a great day. And then I'm just having a look to see what sort of twines I have got that can go on here. I'm thinking probably this one. Yeah, definitely thinking this one. So a bit of glue under where I'm going to be putting the sentiment. I'm just going to wrap this twine around and around and around. 3 times enough, do we think? I think so. There we go. We'll put the sentiment on with a couple of dimensionals, and that will keep my twine in place as well. Gonna be a great day. I'm not going to pop a bow on it because I quite like how the twine has fallen. So I'm just going to grab a card, fold it over, apply some adhesive. There we go. Right, some goodies to make this really pop now. Which ones am I going to put on? The brushed metallic adhesive backed dots, and I'm going to go with the rose gold ones because they're the same sort of colour as my guinea pigs. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. It's gonna be a great day using the guinea pigs from the Glad We're Friends stamp set. Everything I've used today is available from my store, slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.
I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.